Welcome back, Craze, the channel where we talk about machines that are built to be ridden hard and enjoyed even harder. Today, we are diving into something that mud riders and off-road lovers have been waiting for, the all-new 2026 Arctic Cat Alterra 600 Mud Pro. This ATV is not made for smooth trails or gentle weekend rides. This machine is designed for riders who live for deep mud, rough terrain, and real off-road challenges. The first thing that stands out about the 2026 Alterra 600 Mud Pro is its aggressive attitude. Arctic Cat is clearly focused on building an ATV that looks as tough as it performs. From the wide stance to the bold body styling, everything about this ATV says it is ready to go straight into the mud without hesitation. The high clearance design gives it a commanding presence, and it instantly feels like a purpose-built mud machine rather than a regular ATV with a few upgrades. At the heart of the Alterra 600 Mud Pro is a powerful 600 cubic centimeters class engine that delivers strong low-end torque, which is exactly what you need when you're crawling through thick mud or pulling yourself out of deep ruts. Arctic Cat is known for tuning their engines for real-world riding, and this one feels responsive and smooth while still being tough enough for extreme conditions. Whether you are climbing slippery hills or powering through water crossings, the engine provides consistent power without feeling stressed. One of the biggest highlights of the Mud Pro is its factory-installed snorkel system. This is a huge advantage for riders who regularly deal with water and mud. The raised air intake allows the ATV to breathe even when the lower parts are submerged, giving you confidence to push deeper into challenging terrain. For many riders, installing a snorkel is an expensive aftermarket upgrade, so having it built in from the factory is a big win. The suspension setup on the 2026 Alterra 600 Mud Pro is another area where Arctic Cat shines. The ATV comes with a suspension system designed to handle uneven ground, deep ruts, and rough trails without beating up the rider. The suspension travel feels balanced, offering enough stiffness to keep the ATV stable in mud while still being comfortable enough for longer rides. Combined with a wide stance, it helps keep the ATV planted and controlled even when conditions get unpredictable. Mud-specific tires are a key part of what makes this ATV special. Arctic Cat equips the Alterra 600 Mud Pro with aggressive, deep lug tires that dig into soft ground and provide excellent traction. These tires are designed to self-clean, which means they shed mud as they rotate, helping maintain grip instead of turning into slicks. When paired with a high ground clearance, these tires allow the ATV to glide over obstacles that would stop a standard ATV in its tracks. Another important feature is the on-demand all-wheel drive system. This system automatically sends power to all four wheels when needed, giving you extra traction the moment you start to slip. You don't have to stop and think about engaging four-wheel drive. The ATV reacts instantly, which is extremely useful in fast-changing off-road situations. This makes the Alterra 600 Mud Pro more forgiving and easier to handle, especially for riders who are pushing their limits. Comfort and control have not been ignored either. The riding position feels natural and confident, with handlebars placed for good leverage when navigating tough terrain. The seat is designed to keep you stable during aggressive riding, and the controls are simple and intuitive, even when you're wearing thick gloves. Arctic Cat understands that mud riding can be physically demanding, so small details like these make a big difference over long rides. Durability is a major selling point of the 2026 Alterra 600 Mud Pro. From the reinforced chassis to the heavy-duty components, this ATV is built to take abuse. Mud riding is tough on machines, and Arctic Cat has clearly focused on making sure this model can handle repeated exposure to water, mud, and debris without constant maintenance issues. This is the kind of ATV you can rely on weekend after weekend. For riders who love customization, the Alterra 600 Mud Pro also offers plenty of potential. Whether it's adding a winch, upgrading lighting, or installing extra protection, this ATV provides a solid platform for building your ultimate mud machine. Even in stock form, it is highly capable, but it also welcomes personal upgrades. In conclusion, the 2026 Arctic Cat Alterra 600 Mud Pro is a serious ATV for serious off-road riders. It combines strong performance, smart factory features, and rugged durability into one aggressive package. This is not just an ATV that looks good in the mud. It is built to dominate it. If you're someone who loves pushing boundaries and exploring the toughest trails, this machine deserves your attention. Thanks for watching Auto Craze. If you enjoyed this video and want more content like this, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Let us know in the comments what you think about the 2026 Arctic Cat Alterra 600 Mud Pro and whether you would take it straight into the deep mud.